Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me for a few moments. I do appreciate it. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. We do have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on, as well as the 10 days of live giveaways, so you want to be notified when I go live with those giveaways. But as you can see from the description, today we are doing the February 2019 EarFleek. I really like this subscription. I think they have some really cute earrings. It is only $3.49 a month, and I will put a link down below to their website and a code that will get you 50% off your first month. So you get a pair of earrings for like $1.75. That's awesome. I do like that they have now added to their website where you can go in and kind of swipe yes or no for different styles of earrings, in addition to selecting a category for the type of earrings you prefer. So let's get in here and see what February has for us. I have gotten some really cute earrings from them. I go with the boho babe style of earring because I prefer dangly type earrings. So they do have like minimalist but groovy and simple or silly and fun. So they have different categories depending on what you like. So there's always something. So they always come in a bubble wrap thing here, and inside that is a little bag. And then there is always a card. It says, "Did you know? Swipe through our inventory and get what you love." So that's what I was talking about, is you can now kind of go through and every month, you know, like I said, swipe for yes or no on different styles. So it'll hopefully, it helps them to pick the right type of earrings for you. So let's see what we got. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute, y'all. They generally have everything always connected by some little connector just to keep everything together. But can you see it's like a gold little stud? But dangling from it are these little black metal, like wavy rectangles. I really like these. I think these are fun. Those are so cute. I do. I really like these. Like I said, these are a lot of fun. You know, they've kind of got the waves, so, and they definitely are dangly. So I really like these. I am very happy with this. And again, for $3.49, I think that is amazing. So like I said, I will put a link to their website down below, as well as a code that will get you 50% off your first month. I do know you can also go to like Groupon, and you can generally sometimes there buy like 6 months or a year for like $20, you know. So I mean, you can definitely get it and prepay for even less than $3.49 a month, which is awesome. So yeah, definitely will put that link down below for you guys, as well as the coupon code. Let me know what you guys thought about those. I think they're really fun. I do think they fall into the category of boho babe with the like wavy dangly action happening. So and again, please don't forget, we have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on. The link for that will be down below as well. You want to make sure you get entered, and the notification bell once you are subscribed. That way you get the notifications when I go live for our 10 days of live giveaways. So I hope you all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.